Hello guys, naririnig pa rin po ba ako?
Yes,
Ayan,
ma'am.
Yes po,
so
ma'am.
merong answer dito si Jomar Almienda. It was considered as a struggle. Another thing, sabi ni Angel, kasi po hindi ako naging alert sa paligid ko. From Joyce Ann, someone comes along and bump me. So merong bumangga sa'yo, di ba? Kaya tumapon yung coffee. So yung isa naman, ah, feeling niya sarili niya yung may kasalanan, bakit tumapon kasi hindi siya naging alerto sa paligid niya. Another thing, meron pa ba kayong naiisip? Why did you spill the coffee? Alright. So, sabi ni Mary Joyce D, na-spill ang coffee kasi merong kape sa baso. I will take that, Mary Joyce D. So, isusulat ko yung name mo dito kasi you have the right answer.
Huh?
So, Mary Joyce D. Alright, so let's find out guys and I will explain it to you further. Bakit tama si Mary Joyce? Sometimes you answer, may sumagot kanina, well, because someone bumped into me, of course. May bumangga sa akin. But you spilled the coffee because there was a coffee in your cup. That is why Mary Joyce is correct. She got the, tama ba? So, she got the right answer. So, tumambon yung coffee kasi merong coffee inside the cup. Had there been tea in the cup? Di ba sabi, coffee? So, coffee yung tumapon kasi coffee yung nasa cup. So, whatever is inside your cup is what will spill out. Therefore, when life comes along and shakes you, whatever is inside you will come out. It's easy to fake it until you get rattled. For example, meron kayong hard situation na na-encounter, kung paano kayo magre-react guys, that is the example of spilled coffee. Kung ano yung ilalabas ninyong reaction, yun yung lalabas. Or ano po, for example, nabangga kayo, may nakabanggaan kayong sasakyan, di ba? Paglabas ninyo, sinisi nyo yung driver. Ano ba yun, ang tanga-tanga mo kasi hindi mo tinitingnan yung daan. Eh what if, wala namang may gusto na maaksidente, di ba? So let's be positive. Kung ano man yung situation na kinakaharap natin. So we have to ask ourselves, what's in my cup? When life gets tough, what spills over? Joy, gratefulness, peace and humility, or anger, bitterness, harsh words and reactions. You choose. Today, let's work towards filling our cups with gratitude, forgiveness, joy, words of affirmation, and kindness, gentleness, and love for others. My name is DJ Wanta, your guest speaker for today, and I have the last thought for you. Sa likod ng bawat tagumpay, maraming tasa ng kape ang naging karamay. And it applies to me in our, of course, in our business. Behind every successful woman is a substantial amount of coffee. Yan. So thank you so much guys. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, DJ Barista Live. You will also find us here at Center for Barista at Fairview, Quezon City. Our website is www.centerforbarista.com. So welcome to the world of coffee. Thank you so much guys.
Thank you po,
Nice.
ma'am.
Thank you po,
So, thank
ma'am.
you very
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
much,
ma'am.
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 Thank you po,
Thank you
ma'am.
po, ma'am.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Okay, so this moment will be the question and answer. Ayan, yung favorite ko na part. Ayan, so you can ask question from our resource speaker. Pwede po kayo mag-ask ng questions regarding on the topics, regarding on your thoughts and perception after the discussion. So you are welcome to open your mic. Hello, HRS,
Yes po.
take the floor.
Okay, so sino may question? Jomar, tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Jomar Almienda. So, pwedeng
Grabe.
ilagay sa screen yung face niya or what para makita nung ayan. Jomar.
So, good day po, ma'am.
Good day.
I have a lot of things na natutunan po ngayon, pero ano po, ma'am, may tanong lang po ako.
Sure.
As a success entrepreneur po, or a
Okay.
success woman po ngayon, kasi ang dami nyo na pong achievements na na-receive po. So, ano po yung experience na hindi niyo po talaga makalimutan that always makes you motivated or inspired po?
Alright. Thank you so much, Jomar Almienda, for your question. For that question, ang hindi ko talaga makakalimutan, yung struggles na nagsisimula kami ng school or ng Center for Barista kasi we don't have anything in our pocket. Wala kaming so much money. I mean, limited yung capital. Di ba most of the time, kapag nagtatayo ng business, ang nagiging problema is the limited capital or kulang yung ating pera, di ba? And that is very important when opening your business. So struggle sa amin yon kasi maraming hindi naniwala. Parang they belittle us kasi parang hindi sila naniniwala na pwede kaming maging successful na magkaroon ng sarili naming school kasi wala kaming kakayanan, wala kaming pera. Diba? Wala kaming properties to sell, wala kaming pwedeng ibigay sa bangko para maging collateral, para mag-loan kami, para ma-build namin yung aming business. So, isa yon sa hindi namin makakalimutan. Pero syempre, thankful pa rin kami sa mga tao na naniwala during the journey kasi sila yung mga tumulong sa amin kung nasaan kami ngayon. And giving back, guys, lahat ng tao na tumutulong sa amin or naging kasama namin sa journey, hindi namin sila kinakalimutan. And I hope, Jomar, nasagot ko yung tanong mo.
Yes po, ma'am. Thank you.
So, maraming salamat din. So, guys, you may feel free to ask me a question. Baka sakaling in the future, ma-encounter nyo rin. At least you have an idea.
Okay, another question pa po. Open lang yung ng mic and then para ma-acknowledge. Ayan, si Kathleen Akak.
Ako po, sir, may tanong po ako. Ma'am, ano po yung pinaka-motivation nyo, ma'am, para marating po yung kung gaano po kayo successful po ngayon?
Ayan, so pin ko si Kathleen ha. Kathleen, ang biggest motivation ko kung para marating ko, ano man yung meron kami actually, is of course yung passion ng pagiging isang barista. And another thing is, ang pinaka-goal talaga, wala kaming masamang hangarin. Maganda yung hangarin namin kung bakit kami magtatayo ng business. To spread the knowledge, 'di ba? Para makapag-inspire kami ng maraming tao na kahit ito lang yung kakayanan namin na overcome namin yung struggle. So that is the biggest motivation. Kasi talagang almost give up na kami na kasi ang laki na ng utang namin, umabot na ng millions eh. 'Di ba? So yung struggles na magsara na lang kaya tayo or wag na lang kaya tayong tumuloy kasi nababaon na tayo sa utang. 'Di ba? Dumadagdag 'yun sa aming stress. So ang motivation, biggest motivation kaya kami nandito is nandito na kami. Nasimulan na namin. Konti na lang maa-achieve na namin yung goals namin. So that is why nagpatuloy pa rin kami. And si God, He will provide everything kapag maganda yung hangarin mo. Yan. So thank you so much, Kathleen, for your question. Yan. Sana nasagot ko yung katanungan mo. Yan. So guys, meron pa ba kayong question? Yan. So
Ayan.
si Mark, Michael, thank you so much po, ma'am. Sobrang inspiring po ng
Ayan, si
inyong
Daniel,
mga
may
share.
question
Daniel,
naman.
where are you, Daniel? All right. So
Daniel
Daniel,
Navarro.
what is your question?